Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I will show you how to create a new shortcut with the Settings Shortcutter Android app and all the options you have on the way. You will find the link to the app in the description. Okay, so let's start the app. When you launch it the first time, this is what you see. To start the process of creating a new shortcut, you have three options. You can click on the Create New Shortcut icon, or you can click on the Create Shortcuts tab, or you can swipe from right to left. Now, when you are in the Select Settings tab, you have a list of settings you can choose from. This is unique to your Android version and/or device, so you might not see the exact same settings list on your device that I'm showing you right now. You can scroll down to find the setting you want to create a shortcut for, or you can search for it using the search bar here on the top left corner. You can also test where the setting will lead you by selecting the Test Radio button on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so let's test the display setting. You can go back to the Settings Shortcutter app with the back button of your device. Okay, now I will select the display setting. In the next step, you can choose an emoji, which will be the icon of the shortcut. At the top here, you see what setting you selected in the previous step. If you want to change it, you can go back using the back button of your device. Okay, so in the Select Icons tab, you have a list of emojis you can choose from, or you can use the keyboard to select an emoji. I will show you now. Or you can also select a letter, a number, or any character on your keyboard. It is up to you. I will select this emoji. Last step, the app will list your selection, your selected setting, your selected icon, and a default shortcut name that you can change by clicking the Change button next to it. You can also make it blank if the icon is enough for you, but I will just click Cancel and stick with the default name for now. You can also change the selected setting or the selected icon by clicking the Change button next to them. If you click the Change button next to the selected setting, the app will go back to the first step. Now you can select a different setting and the app will come back to the last step. The icon remains the same, but the shortcut name is changed to a new default name. If you click on the Start Over button, then the app will reset all your selections and take you back to the first step. Now I will select the same setting and icon to finish the shortcut creation process. If you click on the Create Shortcut button, the app will create the shortcut for you and take you back to the My Shortcuts tab. If you click on your newly created shortcut, it will take you to the destination of the shortcut. That's it for this tutorial. In the next one, I will show you how to delete and change the order of your shortcuts.